Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. For today's video, we'll show you how to fix Mail and Calendar app not working on Windows operating system. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the Start menu and select Settings. On the Windows settings, find and click on Apps. Here it is. On the left pane, click on Apps and Features. Next, on this side here, find and click on Mail and Calendar. This one, click on Advanced Options. Next, scroll down until you find the Reset section. Click the Reset button. Click Reset again to confirm. You just have to wait patiently for it. Once done, close the window. Check if the issue has been resolved. If not, try the next solution. Second method, reinstall Mail and Calendar app. Go to the search bar and type in PowerShell. So this is the best match. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes to confirm. Enter this command. Then hit Enter. Next, close the window and then reinstall Mail and Calendar app from Microsoft Store. Go to the search bar and type in Microsoft Store. This is the best match. Click on it. On the search box, type in Mail and Calendar. Click on it. Click the Get button to download. Once installed, close the window. That should fix the issue. Another method is to go to the command prompt. Go to the search bar and type in command. This is the best match. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes to confirm. So you need to enter this command. Hit Enter after. After it has been executed, restart your computer. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.